Hey DIY Clubbers, we're back with another Crafty Cocktails. This is the Barely Citrus Spritzer. Stay tuned to see how to make it. So we're going to start with our orange, and we are going to use this to create our bear. You're going to go ahead and cut off the top and the bottom of the orange. Using the bottom piece, you're going to cut out what will be the bear's ears. And you see I'm just making two little arcs in that bottom piece that I cut off. Once you remove the two ears, you'll set them to the side and move the rest over so you can continue to work. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut out all of the insides of the orange, just using our knife to go around the outer rim. We'll flip it over and repeat that step so that you'll make a pretty clean cut and be able to remove all of the insides of the orange. And as you can see, it just pops right out. Any leftover orange, you can simply use your knife to go ahead and cut out. Now we're going to use our knife to cut out our little bear arms, and we're just making little small circular cuts into the orange rind and cutting out the middle part, which is going to be like his little tummy. And this is where our shot glass will sit. So next we're going to cut little slits in the what will be the bear's head, and this is where we will be adding our ears. You don't have to make the slits too big, just wide enough to fit your little slices. Next, we're going to measure where the head will fit into the body and cut two small slits into the body of the bear, and you see it just nestles right in. For my ears, I did have to cut off the back of the citrus. It still had some of the orange there, but once I went ahead and sliced it off, the ears fit into my little slits perfectly. Easy peasy. And here's our little bear. Now to make our drink, we are going to use some of the orange that we removed and place it in the bottom of our glass. And of course, we are going to muddle it. We want to let all of that beautiful, fresh orange juice come out of the orange slice. And you'll just muddle it to your liking. And then we're going to add a little bit of the orange to the shot glass as well. And to muddle it, you're going to need something a little bit smaller because, as you can see, my muddler was just a little bit too big for my shot glass. Next, we're going to add in a splash of our black raspberry sparkling water. This will go to the bottom of your glass and to the bottom of your shot glass. Now, of course, you can make the ratios to your liking. If you want more or less of one of the ingredients, is completely up to you. Modify this recipe to your liking because at the end of the day, it's all up to your taste. Next, we're going to add in some of our Simply Spiked lemonade. And as you can see, I was not trying to mess up my nails, so I used my knife to pry up the little tab. And once you go ahead and get the can open, you'll add as much or as little of the spiked lemonade as you desire. I just wanted to add a nice little amount to give it that extra little kick. And lastly, we're going to add in our Prosecco. This you are going to add in to top off your glass. This is a really good Prosecco. It's got a great flavor, and it actually complemented this drink extremely well. And of course, like I said before, ratios are up to you, but I really wanted this to top off this drink, and it added the right amount of bubbles to it as well. All of the items that I used were chilled, so I didn't add any ice to this drink, but is your preference if you decide to add ice. And like I said, I looked at it, I was like, ooh, wait, this ain't full enough. So I added a little more to make sure we got the drink all the way to the top. Oof, look at those bubbles. That's the best part of this drink. And to complete the drink, we're going to add our garnish, which is going to be a little piece of orange to both of our glasses. And here is the completed Crafty cocktail. This is our Barely Citrus Spritzer. I love how it has the bubbles. It's got great citrus flavor and berry flavor using the sparkling water. It's completely refreshing and would go great on an outdoor picnic. The little bear made out of the orange is so adorable and is a cute way to serve your shots if you decide to make this drink. And now for the taste test. Cheers. It is so good, you guys. Definitely try it. If you guys decide to try this drink, tag me on Instagram at Haiku Creations. Thanks for joining me for another crafty cocktail. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below, and turn on the bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.